guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to another cash stuffing video. My name is Jeanette and the reason why I cash stuff and use zero-based budgeting is to save for 6 months of expenses for me and my family. So in today's video is going to be very short. We are going to be doing our sinking funds, I believe. Yes, sinking funds. So I will be stuffing $60 into my sinking funds as well as my business bills. Also, I want to say thank you to everybody who has supported my small business. So thank you guys for all your orders. I've been working on orders all day today. Yesterday I took off because it was Christmas. Hopefully everybody enjoyed their Christmas. I just sat back and relaxed and hung out with the kids. They did get their stuff and they were excited about everything. So it went well, but it was just very mellow. I did cook a brunch and I did do dinner for the family. So today is like a work day, like work. I've been working all day on orders. And yeah, let's jump right into this. Okay, so the first envelope we're going to stuff is going to be, make sure you guys can see that. Okay, so the first one is going to be back to school, and that's going to get a total of $10. So now our total is, and if you hear the kids in the background, everybody's home right now. So yeah, you're going to hear them, you know, playing and stuff. Okay, so 20, 30, 40, 50, 55. So we have a total of $55 in back to school. Kids is going to get a total of $10. So now we have a total of all fives, 20, 30, 40, 50. So kids has a total of $50. Okay, holidays is going to get $10. And now we have a total of, put the 10 in there, 20, 30, sorry about that, 20, 30, 41. Can't count today. Okay, so my microphone died, so I had to do a voiceover. So holiday got 40. Birthdays is going to get a total of $10. And now we have a total of, in birthdays, 10, 20, 30, 40, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. So that's 50 for birthdays. Now we're going to jump into my business bills. And I did pay my Shopify bill. So, yeah, that's the goals on the back of that. So now we're going to go into Shopify. Shopify is going to get $10. And we are saving for the next month. So every week I'll be saving $10 for Shopify until I get to 40 and then pay my bill. And then taxes is going to get a total of $10. So now we have in taxes 10, 20, 30, 40. So we have a total of $40 in taxes. So that is all I have as far as my sinking funds and my business bills. And now I'm going to show you guys the Colorful Dollar Monday Savings Challenge. So stay tuned for Monday because I will be showing you guys how I'm going to play this. I'm still waiting for the colorful dice to come in. So all of these challenges are $1 each of them. And it's just an easier way to save money, like an extra way to save money on a budget. So I'll show you guys that on Monday. So hopefully this video was helpful for you guys. Make sure you check out my video tomorrow where I'll be stuffing my 6 months of expenses as well as my debt. And yeah, guys, I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.